Now the steps of Kaban protocol, which is very important. The protocol consists of the 7 steps. Step 1, aggressive resection of the ankylotic mass, means complete surgical removal of the bony or fibrotic mass which is causing ankylosis. It aims to remove all obstructing tissue from the joint space. Often include condylar osteotomy, coronoid osteotomy, and part of the ramus removed. So it shows the ankylotic bone. Then in second diagram it shows the cutting and the removal of the ankylotic bone. It is emphasizing complete clearance. So this is resection of the ankylotic mass. Now step 2, ipsilateral coronoidectomy. So here coronoid process is removed on the same side as ankylosis. So why? It is due to the limited movement. Coronoid becomes fibrotic and hyperplastic and causing restriction mouth opening. So you can see here a one part coronoid process is completely removed because it show a ankylosis, while the other part it is not removed because it does not show ankylosis. So it is known as ipsilateral coronoidectomy. Now the step 3, contralateral coronectomy if needed. So this is done only if required. So indication, if mouth opening is less than 35 millimeter even after ipsilateral coronectomy. So to ensure full range of mouth opening. So it shows that there is mouth opening less than 35 mm. So coronectomy will be done on the both sides if there is mouth opening less than 35 mm to achieve a full range of mouth opening.